Boomba.
Damn it, Maggie, let's go.
Damn it, Maggie, let's go. That was funny.
Stop.
No kidding. Oh. We fucked up. I mean, they fucked up.
On the ground.
Yay. That was very close.
Get on the ground.
Dude, you know you're about to get your ass killed, right? I mean, you're making a huge mistake.
You.
Sorry,
over
girl.
there.
Don't start crying if they kill you.
Go ahead, I dare you. Try something. Just see what happens.
Damn, that girl is sassy as fuck. She's gonna be the first one to die. Sorry. I'm just giving you a heads up. Okay, Maggie, don't do anything right now. You're pregnant. I'm not gonna let you do anything stupid. I mean, you're a badass bitch, but still. I don't want you to die. Carol. Hey. No, baby. Hey.
When's the last time anyone checked this place? It was fine a month ago.
Oh, man.
Shit hurts.
Bitch, are you gonna look at her?
Bye-bye, the food's gone. Bye-bye, we got ground or something.
Bro.
These people can get tips.
Dude.
Maybe we should shoot,
Oh my god, you're frustrating me. Do something. Like, bitch. Why are you not paying attention? Bitch. Do something. Oh my god, what if she dies? Nah, she's not gonna die, but still.
Not going down like that, not after me.
No one gives a fuck about what you're saying right now. Yeah, what she said. I feel like this is all a plan. And she's at the end gonna, like, chop their heads off. Or do something weird. Like, bitch. Think again.
But are you gonna live through it?
Are you even gonna survive this episode? I mean...
Babies are the point. Children are our future.
Okay, that made me laugh.
In case you haven't noticed, you've got bigger problems than a little secondhand smoke.
Kind of true.
Malls.
Nah, I like her. She's probably gonna be the first one to die because everyone I like dies. Oh, he's gonna do it. Oh, you fucked up. You just fucked up real time. Yes! Oh, you go, Maggie. No. Oh my god, no, don't kick her. Ah! Don't kick her. Oh, yes, Maggie, you're amazing. Yes! No. Hey! Oh, fuck yeah. Well, I'm liking you a little bit more.
We are all naked.
What do you mean?
Oh, come on.
What does that mean?
Come on. Dude, I haven't read the book, so I have no idea what it's happening in the books, the comics, so I have no idea what it's happening.
We should just go, Carol. We have to finish this. We have to.
Yeah, we have to do that. I mean, you have to. Don't involve me. You started this mess. Oh. Damn, girl. I mean, you were gonna die anyways, like really soon, so sorry. Magnolia. Boom! Oh, okay. Nice, beautiful, amazing. Oh, damn. That's nasty. Oh my god. I love you. Don't die. What? What? Oh, I mean, bitch, you messed with the wrong people. I told you, but you didn't listen to me. Oh, sorry, I liked you. Oh, no, careful, careful, not in the tummy. Please don't kick her in the tummy. Okay, nice. No, bitch, I told you not to do so. Oh, okay. Oh, thank God, I thought that was her tummy. Bitch, don't do that to me.
Afraid of this.
No. Stop laughing. Oh, come on. I mean, Carol, sometimes you're really slow. Okay, you need to be quicker. Look at Maggie, she's like, whatever. Let them handle it. Ooh. Oh, damn. Wow. Oh, that was nasty. Oh, man. Oh, Carol. Oh, man, I'm gonna get emotional. Actually, I'm not, but, you know, I like saying that. Watching TV shows is hard. Aww.
You okay?
Aww. Rosita, you're amazing. I love you.
So far? You good?
Aww. Aww, Daryl. Oh, baby.
They're all dead. The ones that took them.
I'm Negan, shithead.
Yeah, right?
There's a whole world of fun that we can talk about. So let's have a chat. I said I had to keep it.
Oh. Bro, he's not Negan. Oh, Carol. Oh no, we fucked up big time. I feel like we're about to die. Oh. No. I'm not ready for Negan. Oh, we're gonna die. But like, is he really gonna appear in the last episode? Like, I don't want him to appear in the last episode. I like. Okay, no, yeah, he's totally gonna appear in the last episode. But anyways, guys, if you enjoyed the video, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to see more reactions. I'll see you guys next week. Bye.